Alright folks, it's been a while, but I have a very large update coverage video for all of you with the Dakota Riverbend's winter update. Let's dive in, shall we? Now that we are in the DRB Newswire, link will be in the description, let's read off some of this together. New criminal ranking system. So, you think you have what it takes to be the best criminal in the county. A new ranking system will build upon the current drug reputation system. This will also determine your lockpick skill and drug running skills. Treasure hunters and collectors. An entire new list of activities have just dropped into the county for aspiring adventurers, from digging up treasures to finding special items, or even just buying/collecting character cards across the map to fill out your collections. Now, if you're interested in a more detailed look at this newswire and all the information related to, please check out their website. Links will be in the description. At the time of originally making this video, these patch notes were not yet available. Now that the Dakota Riverbend has implemented all of this winter update with version 0.8.0, let's dive into even more new features, shall we? Now that we're here in the patch notes, links will be in the description. The collector job title has hundreds of new items to find, collect, and sell. There's also more collector shops in Saint Denis, with more car dealers traveling via wagon across the county. Also accomplish quests for car dealers for more ability to their shops, use new tools to expose buried treasure, and new items like metal detectors, treasure maps, and so much more. Player-ran stores are now here. These can be found across the map as town general and gun stores. Players will own and operate these stores, but they are government regulated. Players will also make all profits from said stores and general store deliveries. Players can also operate a personal market on top of their main business on the property as well. Player-owned stores are now here as well. These types of markets can be placed anywhere around the county. These markets are a bit different though. They will only obtain a certain category of items that the player will stock up specifically. Buyers can also access the market anytime to purchase goods, and all profits will go to the owner of said store. The player can, however, only have one singular market at a time though. The town of Valentine as well has a congregation of public markets for any player to use and purchase from as well. There are 2 new public black market locations added to the county now, and players can buy/sell items of this caliber amongst one another. All 4 strangers have markets to purchase from, as well with fluctuating prices between the individuals. A crime table has been added to the county as well that you will use to craft solicit items and such. New Dakota has gotten a wide variety of adjustments to pre-existing jobs and new jobs as well. From pet training, chef, gunsmith, farming and ranching, mining, blacksmithing, doctors, and even the stables. New Dakota may not seem the same to veteran players, but with so much to offer, immersing in the environment will take your breath away. Now, if you're interested in a more detailed look at these patch notes and all the information related to, please go check out their website. Once again, links will be in the description. I hope this was helpful for anybody interested in or have been in the Dakota Riverbend Casual RP community-based server over on the RedM platform that have been wondering what the winter season had in store. Please like the video and subscribe for more educational or informational content related to the DRB. Check out our socials as well. Links will be in the description. Lastly, stay safe out there this slippery cold season.